Here are 40 points highlighting the benefits of AI in robotics and showcasing the latest advancements in the field. 1. Increased efficiency. AI-powered robotics can perform tasks more quickly and accurately than humans, leading to improved productivity and efficiency. 2. Automation. AI allows robots to automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative activities. 3. Exactness with targeted accuracy. AI enables robots to perform precise and accurate movements, leading to improved quality and reliability in various industries. 4. Enhanced safety. Robots equipped with AI can handle dangerous tasks and work in hazardous environments, reducing the risk of human injuries. 5. Improved decision-making. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data and make decisions based on real-time information, leading to smarter and faster decision-making in robotics. 6. Predictive maintenance. AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors and predict maintenance needs, enabling proactive repairs and minimizing downtime. 7. Cost savings. AI-powered robotics can reduce operational costs by optimizing processes, minimizing errors, and eliminating waste. 8. Increased productivity. With AI, robots can work 24/7 without the need for breaks or rest, leading to increased productivity and output. 9. Magnify standard command. AI algorithms can detect defects and anomalies in real time, ensuring higher quality standards in manufacturing and production. 10. Personalized customization. AI robotics enable mass customization by adapting to individual customer preferences and producing customized products efficiently. 11. Collaborative robots. AI enables robots to work alongside humans, assisting them in tasks that require strength, precision, or repetitive actions. 12. Improved healthcare. AI-powered robots can assist in surgeries, perform repetitive tasks in healthcare facilities, and provide care for the elderly, improving patient outcomes. 13. Agricultural advancements. AI robotics can optimize farming operations, monitor crops, and automate harvesting processes, leading to increased agricultural productivity. 14. Inventory calculation and storage. AI-powered robots can automate order fulfillment, optimize inventory management, and streamline logistics operations. 16. Research and expanse missions. AI robots can be deployed in space exploration missions to gather data, perform experiments, and assist astronauts. 17. Environmental monitoring. AI-powered robots can monitor and analyze environmental conditions, helping in tasks such as pollution detection and wildlife conservation. 18. Improved education. AI robots can assist in classrooms, providing personalized tutoring, interactive learning experiences, and language instruction. 19. High-risk unpredictable handling. AI-powered robots can handle radioactive or toxic materials, minimizing human exposure and risk. 20. Enhanced creativity. AI can augment human creativity by generating novel ideas, assisting in design processes, and enabling artistic expressions. 22. Energy efficiency. AI algorithms can optimize energy consumption in robotics, leading to more efficient and sustainable operations. 15. Better consumer assistance. AI-driven chatbots and robotic assistants can provide personalized and efficient customer support, enhancing the overall customer experience. 23. Disaster response. AI-powered robots can assist in disaster areas by performing search and rescue operations, assessing damages, and delivering aid. 24. Improved security. AI robotics can enhance security systems by detecting intrusions, monitoring surveillance footage, and identifying potential threats. 25. Industrial advancements. AI-driven robotics can revolutionize manufacturing processes, leading to increased production capacity and flexibility. 27. Actual details analysis. AI-powered robots can collect and analyze data in real time, enabling quick decision-making and adaptive responses. 21. Improved transportation. AI-powered autonomous vehicles and drones can optimize traffic flow, enhance safety, and reduce congestion on roads. 28. Cognitive capabilities. AI algorithms can enable robots to understand and respond to human emotions, gestures, and natural language, enhancing human-robot interactions. 29. Financial services. AI-powered robotics can assist in tasks such as fraud detection, risk. 30. Automated inspection. AI-powered robots can perform detailed inspections of complex structures, such as bridges or pipelines, identifying potential issues or damage more accurately and efficiently than manual inspections. 31. Autonomous drones. AI algorithms enable drones to navigate and perform tasks autonomously, such as aerial surveillance, package delivery, or agricultural monitoring. 32. Collaborative healthcare. AI robots can collaborate with healthcare professionals, assisting in surgeries, providing real-time patient monitoring, and delivering medication or supplies within medical facilities. 33. Emotional support. AI-powered robots equipped with emotion recognition technology can provide emotional support to individuals, such as the elderly or those with mental health conditions, by engaging in conversation or offering companionship. 34. Smart homes. AI robotics can automate household tasks, control devices, and enhance home security systems, making homes more convenient, energy efficient, and secure. 35. Virtual assistants. AI-powered robotic virtual assistants, such as smart speakers or interactive displays, can perform tasks based on voice commands, provide information, and control smart home devices. 36. Intensify sports interaction and instruction. AI robots can simulate opponents or specific game scenarios, providing athletes with realistic training environments and personalized coaching. 37. Robotic prosthetics. AI-driven prosthetic limbs can adapt to the user's movements and provide more natural functionality, enhancing the quality of life for individuals with limb loss. Swarm robotics. AI algorithms can coordinate the actions of multiple robots to perform complex tasks collaboratively, mimicking the behavior of insect swarms and enabling applications in areas such as search and rescue missions or distributed sensing. 39. Exoskeletons. AI-powered exoskeletons can assist individuals with mobility impairments or physical limitations, enabling them to walk or perform physically demanding tasks with greater ease and independence. 40. Cognitive robotics. AI advancements in cognitive robotics enable robots to learn from experiences, reason, and make decisions based on context, leading to more adaptive and intelligent robotic systems. 26. Enhanced accessibility. AI robots can assist people with disabilities in their daily tasks, promoting inclusivity and independence. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like and subscribe button below.